So I'm here at the motorbike shop with Malachy, gonna go check out some bikes. What are we doing?
Checking out some bikes.
What do you think?
Good.
Good? Do you like them? Yeah. You have to pick out your favourite one. It's a nice one, GS6R. It's like being a kid in a sweetie shop. So many nice bikes. KTM section. Ooh. This is more me. This is more me, the KTMs. That's a nice one. Wicked, isn't it? So we're here at the P&H Cycles in Manor Royal, Crawley. A wicked selection of bikes. Have a look. Yes, mate. Which one? This one? It's a bit big, isn't it? You like that one?
Yeah.
I thought this was your favourite. Should go find your favourite one.
But my favourite is the black one.
It's the black one. I'll show you which one's my favourite.
Same as my favourite?
No, I think it's this one.
What, this one?
Yeah. What do you think?
My favourite too.
Is it? We got a good choice in bikes. So we like the Ducati. We're going to go have a look at the R1s now and see what we think about them. Because those are my favourite. That was my biker choice. R1's around the other side with the Suzuki Yamaha section.
What's that?
No, around this way, mate. So that is the Suzuki section. Let's have a look. So this is Yamaha. Ooh, that's a nice bike. Ooh, R6. I like this one. Oh, it's 125. I don't like that one. I like that bad boy at the back.
Gosh, I like this one.
That looks like a beast. You like this one?
Yeah.
That is pretty, isn't
What
it?
one looks like a beast?
This one, that one. Should you have a look around here quickly and then we'll go back to Mummy. What does that say on the side there?
Here.
Now this. Ninja. Kawasaki Ninja. Do you like it? You know what I mean? Yeah, good. Come on, let's go back to Mummy then. Oh, this is a nice one. Do you like that one?
That one?
Yeah, the R6. So Malachy chose the. Which one did you like the best?
What, out of the R's?
Yeah.
The R6.
The R6? Yeah, and I like the R1. Ordered the Ducati, the black one. The matte black one. That's good fun, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.